Welcome to Health and Safety First, the podcast where we prioritize well-being in every aspect of life. Today, we're focusing on how to prepare a first aid kit, a vital component in every home and workplace. I'm your host, Lisa, here to guide you through assembling this crucial safety tool. A well-stocked first aid kit can be a real lifesaver in emergencies. Let's start with the basics. The foundation of any good first aid kit is sterile gauze pads and adhesive bandages in various sizes for cuts and scrapes. Next, include antiseptic wipes and antibiotic ointment to prevent infections. It's also essential to have a supply of medical tape, scissors, and disposable gloves for handling injuries safely. Don't forget about medications. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen, antihistamines for allergic reactions, and aspirin, which can be crucial in a cardiac emergency.
Lisa suggests adding a thermometer, tweezers for splinter removal, and an instant cold pack for reducing swelling.
An emergency blanket and a small flashlight with extra batteries can be invaluable, especially if you're outdoors or in a situation with power outages.
As the guide comes to an end, Lisa emphasizes the importance of customizing the kit.
Tailor your kit to your specific needs. If someone has a known allergy, include an epinephrine injector, and always keep a list of emergency phone numbers inside the kit.
Lisa concludes,
A first aid kit is more than just a box of supplies. It's a preparedness plan. Stay safe, and remember, being well prepared is half the battle won.